Official government notice. Matters to be observed by Nepali or foreign nationals when entering or departing Nepal. Goods eligible for full customs duty exemption upon return to Nepal by Nepali citizens with permanent residence in Nepal after travel abroad. Previously used personal effects, bedding, clothing and household goods, medicines and articles used as assistive or supportive devices personally carried for the care of ill or incapacitated travelers, gold ornaments, in the case of a male traveler, gold ornaments up to 25 grams, and in the case of a female traveler, gold ornaments up to 50 grams shall be exempt from customs duty. In respect of gold ornaments exceeding the aforementioned limit, customs duty shall be levied at the prevailing rate on an additional up to 50 grams, and where a further additional up to 50 grams of gold ornaments is brought, an additional duty of 3% shall be levied over and above the applicable customs duty. However, items such as spiral rings, bangles, chains or similar articles manufactured merely in the general form of ornament shall not be recognized as gold ornaments for the purpose of this provision. In cases where gold is brought instead of ornaments, customs duty shall be levied at the prevailing rate on the first 50 grams, and on an additional up to 50 grams, an additional duty of 3% shall be levied over and above the applicable customs duty. Personal electronic devices previously used by the traveler. 1 unit of either a tablet, laptop or desktop computer, 1 unit each of a watch, camera and video camera, 1 cellular mobile phone. However, a Nepali citizen who has returned after working abroad for a continuous period of at least 6 months with valid labor permit shall be entitled to bring 1 additional mobile phone duty-free. A Nepali citizen who has worked abroad for a continuous period of at least 12 months with labor permit and is enrolled in the Social Security Fund shall be entitled to bring 1 television of any size or type duty-free, provided that in the case of a traveler not enrolled in the Social Security Fund, exemption shall be limited to 1 television set up to 32 inches only, and such facility shall be availed only once and shall be provided in a manner ensuring proper record keeping, 1 perambulator and 1 tricycle for infants, professional equipment for personal use including for doctors 1 unit each of a blood pressure monitor and a stethoscope, for sports person 1 unit each of a football, volleyball, badminton set or cricket set, for singers and musicians 1 unit each of items such as guitar, harmonium or tabla, food items not exceeding 7 kilograms, 1 bottle of alcoholic liquor not exceeding 1 liter. A person returning to Nepal after retirement from the Indian Army or Police shall on a one-time basis be entitled to full customs duty exemption on household goods for personal use up to a value of Nepalese rupees 50,000 excluding prohibited items. Goods permissible upon payment of applicable customs duty by Nepali citizens with permanent residence in Nepal returning after foreign employment. Goods allowed upon payment of duty. 1 unit each of a television, music system, refrigerator, washing machine, fan, radio, watch and cellular mobile phone, clothing, footwear and cosmetic items not exceeding 5 units of each, household electrical appliances including items such as mixer, juicer, sewing machine, iron and rice cooker not exceeding 2 units of each, food items not exceeding 10 kilograms, professional tools required for skill enhancement by professional travelers such as doctors, engineers and sports person not exceeding 2 units of each, other essential household items for personal use not exceeding 2 units of each, up to 200 sticks of cigarettes or 50 sticks of cigars, customs duty exemption for Nepali travelers departing abroad, all of any personal goods as referred to in section 1, gift items up to a value of Nepalese rupees 50,000 not prohibited by prevailing law, provided that where a tax invoice is submitted for VAT liable goods and a bill bearing a permanent account number, PAN is submitted for non-VAT goods, goods of any value may be taken abroad. The following previously used personal effects of foreign travelers arriving in or departing from Nepal by air shall be exempt from customs duty. 1 unit of binoculars, 1 unit of either a tablet or a laptop, 1 unit each of a video camera and a camera, 1 set of a portable music system, previously used clothing, bedding, cushions, mattresses and household articles, 1 unit each of a perambulator, tricycle and bicycle, 1 unit each of a watch and a cellular mobile phone, professional tools customarily used by the traveler not exceeding 1 set, ordinary instruments, tools and medicines brought by a doctor or traditional medical practitioner Vaidya for the purpose of practicing their profession, and essential items used by relevant specialists, musical instrument and related essential items brought by a singer or musician, sports equipment related to the sport played by the traveler, sport player, 1 fishing rod, 1 bottle of alcoholic liquor not exceeding 1 liter or up to 12 cans of beers, up to 200 sticks of cigarettes, 50 sticks of cigars, 250 grams of tobacco and medicines, excluding prohibited items, up to a value of Nepalese rupees 10,000, food items including tinned food, up to a value of Nepalese rupees 5,000, fresh fruits up to a value of Nepalese rupees 2,000. Foreign travelers may, without a permit, carry or dispatch gift items purchased in the Nepali market, not prohibited for export under prevailing law, within the verified limit of foreign currency exchange. In addition to gifts, traveler may carry or dispatch other goods, excluding prohibited export items, up to value of Nepalese rupees 5 lakh, provided that where a tax invoice is submitted for VAT liable goods and an invoice bearing a permanent account number, PAN is submitted for non-VAT goods, no value limit or restriction shall apply. A traveler entering Nepal may bring foreign currency or negotiable instrument, traveler's check, equivalent to up to $5,000 without declaration. Where the amount exceeds $5,000, such currency or instruments may be brought upon declaration at customs point.